Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we like to speak for KASPA, and more specifically guys, I would like to please you to just buy 5,000 KASPA coins. That's worth approximately $100. It's not a big deal. If you're gonna lose this amount of money, is not disaster, okay? But guys, with only 5,000 KASPA coins in the distant future, you have a potential to build incredible wealth. KASPA is gonna get straight to the moon because it's superior. Layer 1 is superior than Ethereum, is superior than Cardano. It's not actually a competition for me. It's killer. KASPA is killer. And I'm going to show you why on this video. With only 5,000 KASPA coins, you can build tremendous wealth. I'm not speaking for 2025, okay? Even in 2025, you're going to have a very great return. I'm going to speak with numbers. I'm going to give you price predictions. But in the distant future, 2030, 2032, guys, KASPA is going to maybe worth trillions. So in this video guys, I'm going to speak for all these things with proofs why I believe KASPA is superior and why I believe KASPA will kill any competition. Even in 2025, you're going to see KASPA in the top 5. So if you're interested to know why I'm so bullish, why KASPA had killed any competition, and also if you would like to know what's going on in the short term, because KASPA since yesterday is 9% up, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you're going to find my private Telegram community where multimillionaires included, lots of guys with very high knowledge included. But the most important part for me, if I were you, for example, is that you're going to have access to speak with me 24/7 on that group. You can ask me all your questions. I'm going to be there to support you. This was going to be very helpful if I was in your position. Also, you're going to have access to my portfolio. You're going to see exactly what I'm holding in real time with percentages. And also, you're going to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and my sell signals. Okay, I'm full transparent to that group. So if you are looking to build connections, to have fun, to make gains, definitely this group is for you. And I'm waiting to see you there. So let's get straight to the video, and initially I would like to start with the short term, what's happening, and then I'm gonna get straight to why you need 5,000 KASPA coins and why I believe KASPA is gonna get straight to top 3, top 5 easy even by the next bull run. Initially guys, I would like to tell you that KASPA had a very massive downtrend movement, okay? And for those who don't know, I gave a signal on KASPA in my Patreon at 0.015 cents, okay, with the time that actually KASPA broke this massive resistance. Here it was a perfect entry to enter, okay? That's why I gave that signal to my Patreon group, because we had broke here the resistance, the downtrend resistance, and we had lots of probabilities to see a spike to the upside as it happened, okay? We saw an incredible rally up to 0.029 cents. Then we saw a healthy pullback back to retest this support of an uptrend movement that we are trying to build here. On this support retest, I gave again signal in my Patreon group, and then we saw another spike to 0.027 cents, and it seems that right now KASPA is unstoppable. I cannot imagine what's going to happen when Bitcoin going to get straight to $35,000 to $37,000. KASPA maybe will skyrocket even to a new all-time high. So get ready to see lots of things in KASPA. That's in the short term. Okay, but have in your mind, before I move to the other things, have in your mind that also there is a probability for a healthy pullback, okay? Don't freak out if we're going to actually see an all-time high and then a massive pullback. It has probabilities to happen. Don't freak out. It's very healthy. That's what I would like to tell you. And let's move on, guys, to why I believe with only 5,000 KASPA coins, you can actually become very wealthy in the next coming years. Guys, I would like to tell you that KASPA, for those who don't know, is solving the trilemma. Until now, we had massive competition in layer ones, okay? Everyone was trying to solve that trilemma. Everyone was focusing on the scalability, because Bitcoin doesn't have scalability. It has security and decentralization. That's why right now the Bitcoin represented as a store of value, because it's not efficient for peer-to-peer transactions. It has so big delay. Okay, so big delay. It's not efficient. So we have seen Ethereum, we have seen Cardano trying to solve this scalability thing to do massive transactions to become decentralized and secure. But when it comes to proof of stake, the majority, I can say 99%, are not so decentralized. Okay, proof of stake, it's not so decentralized. And also KASPA, which I believe differs from the others, it had a fair lens. The other projects and the majority of the other projects are kind sketchy because they had this ICO, they got these pre-mined allocations for into the team, and that's kind sketchy. Okay, I don't say it's bad or it's not good projects if they had an ICO, but it's kind sketchy. KASPA is pure system. It's created by developers for the people, for the community. That's why I'm telling you that KASPA is community-driven project. It has the fundamentals of the Bitcoin, and this is something that I like a lot about this project. The reason that it could replace Ethereum is because, guys, the transactions. As I showed you yesterday, and I guarantee you to go in to watch my previous video because I showed you with example why KASPA is so scalable, because it actually provide 1 block per second. Okay, it can confirm a block in 1 second. It's almost instant confirmation. So you understand that you can send KASPA in 1 second. That is crazy. Okay, even Ethereum, you need 15 seconds to send a transaction. KASPA is 15 times faster than Ethereum. And right now, Ethereum is actually quite centralized after the proof of stake that they did. Okay, so you understand that KASPA solving the trilemma in the most efficient way. Every other project is, and not only that, the innovation has no stop. Guys, KASPA right now are going to move from the Golang language into Rust language, and that's insane because that's going to get, guys, the scalability to another level. You can clearly see that with this Rust language that they're trying to upgrade, because right now they're going to target the blocks per second to be increased. So you can see here that KASPA will introduce an unprecedented throughput with initial estimates targeting 32 blocks per second. So the competition here is Bitcoin has 10 blocks, 1 block per 10 minutes. Ethereum has 1 block per 15 seconds. KASPA right now, without this language, with the current language, the Golang language, has 1 block per second. With the Rust language, KASPA can get straight to 32 blocks, and I will tell you guys, even in the testnet, that they actually tested the 10 blocks per second, and it was very successful in the testnet. Guys, we were speaking for 10 blocks per second. So it's going to be even more faster than it is right now. So it's going to be even more scalable. And the focus of the team is to actually, for the future projections, to get up to 100 blocks per second. Can you imagine how big and innovative thing is that? We are speaking for, right now, Bitcoin is 1 block per 10 minutes, and KASPA will do 100 blocks per second. That's phenomenal. Even Ethereum cannot stand out with KASPA because the KASPA team, the KASPA CEO, Jonathan Sobolinski, are very high knowledgeable guys. Okay, Jonathan Sobolinski is in Harvard University. He actually created with his professor in 2013 the Ghost protocol, the protocol that utilized by KASPA right now. And also, guys, they are working to upgrade into a protocol which called DAG Guys, this DAG is gonna get the competition even more better. So some people say right now KASPA is uncompleted project. Guys, KASPA as it has right now is even superior than the rest layer ones. It's superior. When we're gonna integrate the Rustlang and the DAG protocol, guys, KASPA will be not unstoppable. It's gonna be top 3. Okay, top 3. I believe KASPA in the distant future can reach trillions, because right now we have expectations, guys, that Ethereum maybe will reach 1 trillion in the market cap. And I can guarantee you that if KASPA in the future going to do all of these things, the Rustlang and the DAG protocol, and also furthermore innovations, because KASPA innovation has no limit. Okay, they are constantly building and they constantly innovate new things that are shocking the world right now. For me, when I saw KASPA, I said, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's what we need. This is money. That's why it's called with a name silver. Okay, that's why I don't compare KASPA with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is store value. Bitcoin is gold. KASPA is the silver. KASPA is going to be used for transactions, for peer-to-peer transactions, and in a combination, that's follow the vision of the Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, this is why Satoshi Nakamoto did the Bitcoin, but Bitcoin had some flaws because the blockchain. KASPA utilized the DAG protocol and more specifically the blockDAG and so many other protocols that actually solving that specific problem, that flaws that blockchain had 1000 times far better. Okay, so this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys about KASPA. I'm trying to be and speak as simple as possible because I would like to give you an explanation about how high KASPA can go in the next bull run by 2025, because I don't believe that Rustlang and also the Dark Knight gonna be ready to go, because it's not about if right now the time that we are speaking these projects are completed. That doesn't matter, because if these projects are completed, it will need plenty of time for a retest. Okay, we're gonna see these projects in the testnet, and after several tests, hundreds of tests, then it's gonna get straight into the mainnet to be integrated. Okay, because the team would like to be 100% sure the network won't fall, we won't see any fault or whatsoever. So that's why these upgrades take time, but definitely, guys, these upgrades can skyrocket the KASPA into trillions. But for the current next Buran, the minimum I can see for KASPA is 100x. The conservative minimum, the most bearish scenario for me, conservative minimum 100x. I believe also minimum it's gonna be, but that's gonna sound like a Moonboy theory, the 100 billion market cap for the KASPA. If I'm gonna see KASPA at 100 billion market cap, I'm gonna say that's bearish, personally. Okay, this is how big I can see KASPA can go. In 2030, guys, it can reach definitely up to trillion, which is crazy, okay, which is astonishing. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. Let me know if you would like to analyze any other subject around KASPA. I'm gonna uploading daily videos about KASPA because for me is the best altcoin that you can buy right now with the best return as an investor and as a supporter of that project, because it's truly bring the power back to the people, because the decentralization, the security and the efficiency that provides to help us to get away from that corrupted system that we are currently are. Okay, and we are manipulated by the bigger authorities like governments, like politicians, and etc. This is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I'll be happy to reply that, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.